How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Davinci Resolve editing tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a freeze frame. This is extremely simple and extremely easy, so if you're having an issue with this, it is going to be an extremely quick fix. So right here I just have a Fall Guys clip. This doesn't have to be, Fall Guys or any video game. It works for literally any video. What you want to do is grab the specific frame that you want to be frozen on. Let's say, just randomly, this frame I want it to be frozen on. What you're going to want to do is have the clip selected. Go to the video tab and scroll all the way down to the speed change tab. Now, you're not going to actually mess with the speed itself, but you're going to want to come to the direction and click on the little snowflake, and boom, that's literally it. You've just frozen the frame. As you see, the video is moving, and then on that frame it stops, and you can, unfreeze frame it if you want. What you could do is click Control B. Once you're done, let's say you want it to be this long exactly. Click Control B to make this its own clip, and then you can click, the forward direction again. So, as you can see, it freezes on this frame for a little bit, and then continues right afterwards. So that is how you do a really quick freeze frame in Davinci Resolve 17. If this video helped you all in any way, make sure you drop a like, please. And yeah, stay awesome and peace out.